So let me ask you a quick question. How many people do you know that think their jobs are safe from AI? That somehow the work they do is too complicated or too specialized for a machine to do? Give me a few minutes of your time and let me explain why I think they're wrong. You see, what I notice is that when people argue this point, they always focus on the same thing. They're focusing on what they think AI can't do as well as a human. But you see, that's the problem because that's not really the thing we should be looking at. This isn't about what AI can't do. It's about what AI can do right now. Because in business, much like this video, nobody waits for perfection. They just ship. If you've ever owned a Microsoft product, you'll know exactly what I mean. This is how product development has always worked. Early versions have bugs and things get fixed over time. AI is no different. It's not perfect and it doesn't do everything the way a human can. But here's the key point. It doesn't have to. It just needs to be good enough to do the task. And the moment it can do that, the human goes. Now, this isn't just my opinion. Mustafa Suleyman, he's the co-founder of DeepMind and now head of AI at Microsoft, has been very clear about this. AI isn't here to assist human labor and it isn't here to augment it. It's being built to replace labor at scale. And why shouldn't it? If a system can do the job just as well as a human, why keep paying the human? Another thing that's got me a little concerned is the way people talk about this like it's something that belongs in the future, next generation. In other words, someone else's problem. Well, that's nonsense. This is very much our problem, and this is happening right now. Pick an industry: customer support, marketing, design, HR, you name it. I guarantee you there's an AI application available right now that's designed to take over the job the human is doing. It may not be perfect yet, but it does exist and it's being deployed. And here's the kicker. Most of these systems aren't even autonomous yet. They're still tools. They still rely on humans. And that's exactly why this matters. Because while we're using them as tools, we're also teaching them how to do the very jobs that we're doing. These systems get better by being used. It's how they work. They need huge amounts of real-world data. So every time we interact with them, every keystroke, we make them a little bit smarter. So why am I making this video? Well, I'm really just trying to understand what's actually happening. I want to know what the real-world effects of these changes are. AI is disrupting every industry right now, and that means you, me, and our families. We need a serious discussion about how humanity is going to adapt and stay relevant. So where do we start? Well, I want to ask you for your help. If you've seen AI replace roles where you work, say so. This way we can document what's going on and let people know. I don't have all the answers, but I do think pretending this isn't happening is a really, really bad idea. And look, by staying informed and connected, we stand a better chance of navigating what comes next. So if you want to join in this conversation, start by subscribing.